Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for all you lawn enthusiasts out there.
If you're like me and take pride in a well-maintained lawn, then you'll definitely want to stick around for this review.
We're talking about the Good Vibrations Grasshawk Ultimate Mower Cleaning Tool, a game changer when it comes to keeping your mower in top shape. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Alright, let's jump into it. The Grasshawk is not your average mower cleaning tool. It's designed to tackle every nook and cranny of your mower deck, thanks to its dual-blade deck scraper. Whether your mower deck is flat or curved, this tool ensures a thorough clean every time. What I really love about the Grasshawk is its versatility. It features a simple knob that allows you to switch between the curved and flat blades effortlessly. This means you can clean all areas under your mower deck with ease, without needing multiple tools. Now, let's talk about why this tool is a must-have. First off, cleaning your mower deck just got a whole lot easier. The Grasshawk effectively removes built-up grass, dirt, and even prevents rust, extending the life of your mower. Plus, it's designed for one-handed operation, so you can clean comfortably and efficiently. Whether you're a homeowner with a small lawn or a professional landscaper, this tool is a real-time saver. And hey, who doesn't want to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying their lawn? Now, you might be wondering how the Grasshawk stacks up against other mower cleaning tools out there. Well, let me tell you, its sturdy metal construction and ergonomic design set it apart. It's built to last and offers excellent value for money. At just over 8 ounces and with dimensions that make it easy to handle. This tool is lightweight yet durable, a perfect balance for effective cleaning without added strain. Alright, let's talk user experience. Based on my testing and feedback from other users, the Grasshawk scores high marks for ease of use. Its comfortable grip and intuitive design make cleaning your mower deck a breeze. Plus, attaching an extension pole for deeper cleaning is a cinch, enhancing its versatility even further. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient way to keep your mower deck clean and in top condition, look no further than the Good Vibrations Grasshawk Ultimate Mower Cleaning Tool. With its dual-blade scraper, ergonomic design, and sturdy build, it's truly a game-changer for lawn maintenance. Links to where you can find this tool are in the description below. Don't forget to leave a comment letting us know your thoughts if you've used the Grasshawk before. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique. Until next time, happy mowing!